The family is in a beautiful hotel in Cusco. They are getting ready for their big Peru adventure.
We must pack our warm clothes. The mountains are very cold and windy at night.
Wow, look what I found! It's so shiny! Wow, a secret zipper. What's inside? A map. This is amazing. Oh, look at this old paper. I found a secret map inside the pocket of your suitcase.
I forgot about this old map. My grandfather gave it to me many, many years ago.
What did you find there? The paper looks very old and has a strange golden symbol.
Look at this small picture. It is a golden llama near a very high mountain peak.
This symbol shows the way to a hidden treasure. We should follow the path tomorrow morning.
The map shows the Sacred Valley. We are going there to see the famous ancient stone walls.
Ha! Can we go on a secret quest? I want to find the mysterious golden llama today.
Yes, we will go together. This will be the most exciting part of our family vacation.
I will bring my camera. We can take photos of every beautiful place we see today.
I am so happy and excited. This is the best surprise in the whole wide world.
You must hold the map. Keep it safe in your yellow backpack so we do not lose it.
Let us put on our walking shoes. The mountain trails are long and very rocky for us.
I am ready for our big quest. Let us go find the secret of the golden llama.
The family leaves the hotel. Their wonderful journey into the heart of Peru begins right now. The family arrives in the beautiful city of Cusco to look for the secret Inca treasure today. Look at this big square. It is called the Plaza de Armas, and it is very famous here.
Wow, the buildings are so old, and the mountains are very high and close to the city.
We must find a special stone wall. The map says the first clue is near this square.
Please look at the paper. It shows a small sun carved into a dark gray stone wall.
I want to find the sun. Is it on that building, or is it over there? Look over here, Dad. I see a small circle with lines on this very old stone wall.
The boy finds a symbol that looks exactly like the drawing the family's secret map.
Oh, you are right. This symbol is the same as the one in the corner of our map.
This is amazing work. Now we know we are in the right place to find the secret.
Who made these beautiful walls? The stones are so big and they fit together very well.
The Inca people built these walls many years ago without using any glue or modern tools.
Let us follow the arrow on the map. It points toward the narrow street behind the church. They walk through the stone corridors of the city to find the next part of the mystery.
I see another symbol. This one looks like a small llama jumping over a big rock.
Great job! Let us take a photo of this symbol before we continue our long journey today. The family walks through the beautiful Sacred Valley to find the next hidden treasure.
Is that it, Dad?
Yes, son, let's keep going.
Oh, how exciting! Look at that big waterfall. It is very tall, and the water is very blue.
The mountains are very green today. and the air smells like fresh flowers and rain.
I can see something strange behind the falling water. Is that a secret stone path? Come here quickly. We must walk through the water to see what is behind it.
I am a little bit scared, but I want to find the ancient secret today.
Do not worry, my brave son. Hold my hand, and we will walk together safely. They walk behind the waterfall and find a dark cave with very old stone walls.
Wow, it's so dark.
Look at these ancient symbols on the wall. They are very dusty and very old.
What do these strange pictures mean? I see a sun, a moon, and a mountain.
The sun means light, and the moon means night. We must read the message carefully.
The message says, "Follow the light of the sun to find the golden city door."
The golden city is Machu Picchu. We are going to the right place, I think.
You are correct. This map shows a secret trail that goes up the high mountain.
We need to find the special key before we leave this dark and cold cave.
I found a small silver box hidden inside this hole in the ancient stone wall.
Inside the box is a small golden key. This is our next very important clue. With the golden key in hand, the family continues their journey to the ancient city.
The family finally reaches the top of the mountain to see the amazing city of Machu Picchu.
Wow, Dad! Everything looks so small, and the clouds are very close to us right now.
The sun is coming up over the green mountains, and the sky is turning bright orange.
We must find the sun altar because the old map says the secret is hidden there.
I see the big stone altar over there. Let's go quickly before the sun moves away.
Wait for us, Leo. We need to walk slowly on these old stone steps to stay safe.
This special place is called the Intihuatana Stone, and it was used to study the sun.
Where is the treasure hidden? I don't see any gold or diamonds on this big rock.
Look at the shadow of the stone. It is pointing to a small hole in the ground.
The morning light hits the ancient altar perfectly and reveals a hidden compartment in the stone.
Look here. The map was right about the location. There is something inside this small hole.
I see something shiny. Whew, it looks like a very old key made of beautiful yellow gold. That is the secret of the Inca people. It is a key to their history and stories.
I found it! This is the best adventure ever, and I am very happy to be here.
You are a great explorer.
Whoa?
This key is the most important treasure we could ever find.
We learned so many things about Peru and the old cities during our long family trip.
I want to go on another adventure soon, because learning about the world is very fun.
The family stands together at the top of the world while the sun shines on them. Look at this amazing golden llama. It is the special treasure we were looking for today.
It is so shiny and beautiful. Can we take it home to show all my friends?
This statue belongs to the people of Peru. It is a very important piece of history.
We must give it to the museum so everyone can see and learn about the Incas.
The ancestors made this long ago. It tells a story about their wonderful and ancient culture.
I understand now. Returning the treasure is the right thing to do for this country.
You are very brave and smart. Helping to protect history is a great adventure, isn't it?
We learned so many things about the mountains, the stones, and the people of Cusco.
This was the best trip ever. I love learning about new places with my family.
The family walks slowly through the ancient city. They feel very happy about their discovery.
Let's find the museum official near the entrance. He will be very happy to see this.
Peruvian history is very rich. This golden llama is a gift from the past to us.
I will tell everyone at school about the golden llama and the hidden Inca city.
Every stone in this place has a secret. We are lucky to be here together today.
The sun is shining on the peaks. It is a perfect day to celebrate our journey.
I want to come back to Peru one day. There are more treasures to find here.
The adventure ends with a smile. The family learned that the best treasure is knowledge.